Hi friends, we are going to see the date and date time module. Date time module. It consists of the several classes. If you want to see the classes, we are going to use the import date time and print of year of date time. If you try to use this, we are going to see the date time. Actually, this will give the date and today's date and time, today's date and time. And if you want to set the our own date and time, it will also useful for the setting the our own date and time. And it will give the year and it will give the year, month, and days, a day, and in that time it will give the hours, minutes, and seconds, and microseconds also. Like this, it will used in the and frameworks levels while working in the web development or backend server side, server side server-side programming. It will helpful to work with the datetime module like created at updated at if you want to set automatically in the backend, this will be used in the backend side like datetime module in the frameworks like Django, Flask, like this pyramid. In this type of framework, this datetime module is helpful to work with current date and if you want to set the our own date and time, it will helpful to work with the date and time module. If you see this, if you try to execute this, it contains the if you try to execute this Python test.py, it will contain the many attributes and functions and classes. If you try to use the max here and min here, see print of date time dot max here. If you try to execute this one, Python test.py. See, it will get the max here like 999. Min here means print of date time dot min year, minimum year. Minimum year is 12999. It will get it. If you see example 1, example 2, you will see. If you try to see the what are the functions and classes present in this, uh, first we will see the date and we will see the time module. Date and time module. Then we will see the date time and time delta. This these classes we will see in the next section. We will see these four like date time, and time and time delta. We will see these four classes in this date time module of the output of this output. First, we will see the from the date time. We will see the dt, or we can use as the dt. This is the aliasing name. Actually, we are going to today's date. If you want to retrieve the today's date, dt dot date dot today date today today. or we can call as if we have same name means today date also we can call print of today date. Like this, if you see Python test.py. See, we got the 2023 10 2023 10 30. We got this is the today's date. 10th month. 2023 is the year, 10 is the month, 30 is the day. Today is the 30 day. Example 3. If you date is observing, we will see the year, we will see the year date dot, sorry, from the today date only we will see the, from the today date only we will see the year, month, year, month. We can retrieve like this today date dot month, day, and weekday also. Which day, like which day means it is a Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday. Like this, we can retrieve weekday. Actually, weekday is a function. If you see and if you see this is a function. It returns the day of the week where Monday is equals to 0, equal to 0. Sunday is equal to 6. Like if you want to see print of year, print of month, print of day, print of weekday. If you see, we got the to give the message also year, month, day, weekday. See, year 2023, month 10, days 30, weekday is 0. We have already see here. Monday starts from the 0 and the Sunday ends from the Sunday up to the Sunday 6. If you want to see Monday, Tuesday like that, there is a list or tuple we can write. List of days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Like this, you want to see day, weekday in week, which or week we can call as list of days of weekday. See, if we try to exclude this one, see we got 2023 date, year 2023, month 10, day 30, weekday 0, week is Monday. Example number, example number 3. This is the 3. Example number 4. Next program is same like this one, but instead of today's date, I'm going to take my own date. My own date means, see, if you over on this, these are our properties present in this. If you give the 2019 in 19 10th month 30, if you give like this and see, or change today date to date or my date, change all, change my date, here also change my date, here also my date. See, we got 2019 10th and 30, or change 6 29 9. You give, see, we got Saturday like this. See, 2019 sixth month and 29. Year is 2019, month is 6, days is 29, and weekday is 5, and week is Saturday. Like this also we can use. Previous example is current date. This example is my own date, like custom date. You can call as custom date also, or what, uh, my own date, or your own date. You can give any date, but format is same like this. You have to give. Uh, this date also having the some multiple functions. If you want to retrieve dir of dt of date, you want to retrieve, see, this date consists of this order. You say that this order we have seen, min, max, we have seen, month, replace, year, weekdays also we have seen. Str, there is a one function called str of, if you take today date only, same I'm taking dt dot date dot today. If you take like this, actually we have retrieved this date month like this, but we can retrieve some other way also. If you want to print first today date, you can print. Next one is year, today date dot today date dot str of, first execute and see we are getting that here also. Okay. If you give capital Y, actually this is taking only two numbers. If you give capital Y means it will take complete year. See, we got the 2023. Mm. Next one is month. Month, today date dot str of month. Small m means month, capital M means minute. Like this. We are going to take the day also. Today date dot str of percentage D. See, percentage D. If you try to execute, see we got the 2023 10th month and 30 like this. Or if you want to take custom date or my own date means we can take like that also. My own date. Instead of giving today, here we are going to giving the 2021 8th month I'm giving and 25 I'm giving. My date, my date, my date, my date. Like this. If you try to execute this one, see, we got this. This is the today date. This is the custom date. If you want to print the, if you want to, if you, while printing this, I'm getting like this 2023 10 then 30. If you want to print it some other way, like some other format, there is a on today date, comma, today date only. I'm using str, same function, but percentage d slash percentage m slash percentage y. If you try to print like this, we are get the today date like this format. This is the my date. Instead of today date, can give date or my date you can give. If you try to print, see, I'm getting like this today date and my date. Print of year of tt dot date. See, see then day from is of from ordinate from timestamp is local is a calendar is a format is a weekday or max min month replace like replace function. See, replace function we can use uh, today or my date. Try to use tt dot date of 2021 10th 2021 10th 25 using. If you try to print my date, you try to print my date. See, we got the 2021 10 2023. If you want to use my date dot replace of, if you try to use year, month, and day, we are going to use any one of these. If you are trying to use month, I'm going to replace month instead of 10. I previously it consists of the 10. I'm going to use 8. Like if you try to print my date again, see, see, why it is not changed. Yeah, it is changed. See, uh, actually here it is changing like this. If you try to see like this, replace of day, place of day instead of 25, I'm giving 50. Like this, if we change my day dot replace replace year, instead of year, I'm changing 2005. Change. See, I'm getting here month is changing, here day is changing, here year is changing, like this. This is the one of the example. Sixth example. Example number 6. Next thing is we are going to see the time module. Time class. Time equals to dt dot time dt dot time dot actually time is a you take like this print of time. If you try to print this, we are going to get 0 0 column 0 0 like this. Here we are going to supply the our own time. This is the time 2. This is the time 1. This is the time 1. Time 2. If you want to supply the time 10:52, 10:52, 52. If you try to supply like this, see like 10:52 20 seconds. It is hours, minutes, and seconds like this. If you want to take milliseconds also, we are going to see another thing in action. So, like this, we are going to see microseconds also. See the time three. Like it is a class. It is a class in constructor. See, we got like this. One more thing we are also there. You take this is the time for. This is the time for. If you take hours like this, we can take a key value, minutes, seconds, and microseconds also. We see uh, microseconds also. See, like this we are getting. This is the time module, time class. Example number 7, time class in date time module. To see even dot methods like this hours and not if we give some time here. I'm giving 9 comma 50 comma 45. I'm giving some time. Hours T1 dot minutes print T1 dot seconds print of T1 dot microseconds. See, if you give the microseconds also, yes, if you want to print time, so see, like this they are getting. Example number 8. Example number 8. This one. think even dot we can here also we can use hours like replace. If you want to replace the hours and replacing 8, we try to see I'm replacing instead of 9 here we got like even dot replace of minutes 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 placing with 45. We try to execute. I here I replace with 45 minutes. Here I'm going to replace with seconds. Seconds equals to 30 seconds. See, here we got the 920 30 seconds. Like there is a one more replace and microseconds. Microseconds also 4, 5, 6, 8. Like this. If you see microseconds, see we got like this. We have replaced 393003200456 like this we have replaced. This is the one more example of the date time module time for class. Mhm. Think one more example is equals to dt dot time dot time if you give 2 comma 30 comma I think one more example card actually if you, we have see ours is 1 to 12 instead of 13 if you give that 13 out of the range here minutes I'm giving same minutes also 0 to 0 minutes to 60 minutes and the seconds also 0 seconds to 60 seconds or 1 to 60 seconds. Here I'm giving minutes and seconds are I'm giving in the range only. If you try to execute, what we will do get what we will output we will get the here. We'll see getting is 65. See, minutes must be in the range of 0 to 0 to 59. See, here I think it is a 24 hours format. If you take 25, see, hours must be in the 0 to 23. If you take 23, 24 hours, so here you can take, see, I'm getting like this value error to try to copy. If you give one time is equals to dt dot time of, I'm giving in the range means only 10, 65 and 45. If you try to print, this we will get the another error. See value error minutes must be in the 0 to 59 only. Next one is time dt dot time of 10 65 sorry I'm taking 30 seconds 30 minutes and seconds I'm taking 65 or 70 seconds. See the output. Value error seconds must be in the 0 to 59. Like this we are going to get the if the out of the range or out of the this time or this seconds or minutes or hours range it's will get means it will be raising the errors like value error and like value error it will get it. This is the 10th example. Like this, we will see the remaining concepts of the daytime module in the next class. We will see. Have a nice day. If you like my content, please like and subscribe and support my channel.